One aim is to understand what are the causes of common pregnancy complications: miscarriage, stillbirth, preterm birth, hypertensive disorder pregnancy, gestational diabetes, and small and large for gestational age, and see if those differ between women conceiving via IVF and those not conceiving via IVF, and then look at conditions during pregnancy and the extent to which what happens in pregnancy has a lasting effect on the child's later risk of being fatter or thinner, having higher or lower blood pressure, having other metabolic disturbances, and again seeing if that differs between spontaneous or IVF conception. So we try and bring lots of different methods together, each of which have different sorts of biases, and say if they're all pointing in the same direction, that suggests that's the causal answer. If they're not, you have to go back and think about the biases and assumptions of each one and work out which is likely to be most biased and what the next stage of research would be to address that. We also compare studies where we have really big data, often linking different sorts of health records and health data together, but where we might not have the most precise measures of the things we're interested in, or not everything we're interested in measured, but have a lot of statistical power because of the large size, so we can measure some of the rarer outcomes such as stillbirth. But then we combine that with studies where we have much more detailed measures, often repeat measures, more precisely measured things, and additional things that we want to take into account. So it's a process of pulling together lots of data, lots of different methods, exploiting genetic data and metabolomics, all these small molecules, and epigenetic data and these different analytical measures to get a better picture of what's going on. So we go from our kind of discovery science in IEU through into the BRC, where we think about the impact of that and intervention development and early phase testing. And then at Bristol we have randomised control trial centres units where it's appropriate randomised control trials can go through to. So we have a really neat pipeline. The only way that this is possible is with the incredible group of people we work with, and in particular an amazing cohort of PhD students, early career researchers, mid-career researchers who are the future, but who take ideas I might come up with and come up with their own ideas and really make them work and really produce the high quality science in a multidisciplinary collaborative way.